Hello pool players, I am excited to share something great with you today. I got to thank you guys right away though for calling in to ICA Training Systems and asking if they carry Ron the Pool Student channel's drills. I could not believe that they were telling me what they told me, that you guys were calling in. Many of you have this system and you wanted to know if they have my drills. So humbling for sure. Now, about 4 months ago, let me tell you this story, how this all happened and why I have this today. About 4 months ago, they reached out to me in an email, but I get emails daily, 3 to 5, I've even had 10 a day, where companies want to collaborate, and I have not taken anybody up on it. This is the first time I have done this. But even back then, when they reached out the first time, I wasn't ready. Just wasn't ready to do it. And I told them that, and they said they could appreciate that, but to get back with them if I was interested someday. Fast forward to about 3 weeks ago, and I decided to follow up. I reached out to them. They told me about you guys calling in, which that really was humbling. I'm telling you, thank you so much, everybody that have the system and was asking about that. And we talked, and guess what? They are now a sponsor of Ron the Pool Student channel. And they sent me their system. This is the pro version, and I'm not totally up to speed with it, although I will say this, it's very user-friendly, very, very user-friendly. So even me as an old guy, I can go through this and navigate through it. They have excellent instructions on their website, and I can design my own drills. I can go in and look at their drills. They have games, they have all sorts of stuff. This is a tip of the iceberg of what I'm going to cover today, of what they really offer and what the system provides. But mainly what it's going to be great for, and this is what I really am geeked about, is that it's going to help you guys with your game. Because it's better than what I have been doing. You know, normally I have a cue ball up in a corner and I just show a tip location. Well, that's good, but it's not as good as what I have now. So this right here is the cue ball. Okay, the cue ball sits here. We're going to shoot this shot down the rail, and we're going to draw back into that travel path to get on this 9-ball to pocket it for the win. So I'm looking at this, and it's no different than my cue ball. It has a tip location right there, so it's a low left shot, but it has some numbers here. So what do those mean? 1.25 is 1 1/4. So from the horizontal axis down, that's 1 1/4 tip. And then the 0.75 is how far the tip is over from the vertical axis to the left side. So that's a great thing right there, that can be more accurate as to what you need to realize and know when you're making the shot. What is this over here? Very cool. A lot of you have asked me in the past, what speed are you hitting the shot? You know, do you have some sort of an indicator you can show me? Well, I now have, and that is this here. Now it says 2.0. I put that number in there because I can change that number whatever I want. And that's based on shooting a shot up to the end of the table. So if I shoot just a cue ball up the end of the table, that's about 1/4% shot. It's a very light hit, right? Well, 2 is much harder hit. Well, this is a stroke shot. I've got to stroke that ball, not too hard and not too soft, just right, Goldilocks zone shot, and I got to draw it back into that area to get shape on that 9. If I hit it too hard, I'll scratch in the side pocket, by the way. So if I were to shoot that at 3.0, I'm sure I would hit it in the pocket because I'm not letting the cue ball spin and grab this cushion. It's just going to shoot off and go right over there. And we don't want that. We've got to bring it down that line. So this is going to be a great tool and something that you guys can look at, and I can even mention to you the speed of the hit. Very, very good. Nice thing about the system too, this shot that you see right here is the toughest shot that I had when I started playing the game back in 2021. I could barely make that shot. I was trying to draw it. If I did make it, I never come back down table like that. I was going in the side pocket all the time. It just was crazy. It drove me nuts. But eventually I worked through it, and one day I had a eureka moment where I made the shot and I realized the speed I needed to hit and the spin I needed to impart. And when that happened, something went on, a light bulb went on in my mind of how I needed to shoot the shot. So I wanted to customize or custom build the shot, reposition it with the ICA system. And this one here I want to offer to you guys in a module so that whenever you call the company, if you have the ICA system, you can get this shot along with other shots that I'm going to have, because I'm working with a company right now with them so that they can offer the module within the ICA Training System website so you can follow Ron the Pool Student's drills. And if you follow them in a sequential order, like I did, you're going to learn the game quicker. No doubt about it. I don't care how old you are, you're going to learn this game if you follow that stair step to success. Anyway, awesome system. What else can I say about it? If you guys like it and you think it's going to be helpful to you, if I involve it more in my content, please let me know within the comment section. Let me know what you think about it, and let me know if it's something you want to see more of. And maybe you have a shot or something sometime you want to share with me, and I can actually put it together and we can shoot it on the channel. I'll profile you as a viewer, and we're going to look at your shot, let's say. I think it's just going to be great. I'm just so geeked about it, you can tell. Wonderful, wonderful system. If you buy the system when you call there, or if you go online, you got to do this too. Don't forget this. Use the promo code RTPS, Ron the Pool Student, because if you do, use that code, you're going to get a free training module. It's a special bonus training module, and hey, you can't beat that, man. The company wants you to buy the system, and they're going to reward you if you use RTPS, my promo code. Do it, for sure. What else can I say? Oh, let me just show you one thing about it. You guys may have seen this on my YouTube short video, but anyway, if I just bring up this menu here, it's just a quick menu, just hit one button, and then I click vertical, I can switch to the other side of the table. Just wonderful. And there's many things more, and you're going to see those as more content comes out. And once again, I'm excited about it. I think it's going to be very helpful to you, and we're going to learn this game better together as a result. Hey, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you share this video because it helps get my content out there, and that helps build the channel. I need your help. And if you want to see another informative tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.